Matip ngaya pulih hai na hai. Bagi sendang bayo abreu am, ki em news nam tam, ya kitu bosong morway, kumamia.
Wat mudur li min em temian mea. Nam kum ta ti mayai hap kun sai so nap kin chong mea.
Mea kertang complete. Tambah jing em jong ma, incomplete.
Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi bas nyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Menteri Ketmat Jengok Kai Pertai Timothy di Shira Hakas Potri Urumpang Arjak Pendriau Uletu Bakat Tenat Jengok Kai Pertai Lashai Kesingi Kakatway Terik Urumpang Arjak Pendriau Kan sa Aiti Yaka Polo Orchid Barim Tura Jaka International Hotel Group Bantai Yaka 5-star Hotel Haka Jinglot Kabakot Sabho Kulur Tengkah. Haka jika keren bat gila Pertai Kubor Menteri Ulayatu Bakani kesenjam kalong ban kentiu syuk-syuk iki kam Jengok Kai Pertai Haka jela Syuk-syuk oleh itu, ba kiwai pat ki kampen roy, ki kentop ya ka jingsna, ya ka tourist lodge, ka ba ar pulai kelur hasiju, ka convention center, ka ba ar pulai kelur haresubel pera, bat ka mandal griru kan sayo ya ka mang pisah ka bakot ar pulai kelur tengka, nak bentak ki kampen roy ha ka jengok kai pertai.
Government is trying to do more development to develop the tourism in the entire state of Meghalaya. And tomorrow, there will be a ceremony of handing over the land, which was previously known as this Polo Orchid at Tura. It will be upgraded to 5-star hotel. The tender was invited from the interested company or party, expressing their willingness to develop it in the PPP mode. And the tender committee has settled the work with this already international hotel group. So formally tomorrow, the land will be handed over to them. It will be a great step forward to develop the tourism in Kerala state. That amount I don't remember exactly, but it will be nearly 40 crores.
The area, how much is?
Area, that also I don't know. Maybe it is 1 acre or 2 acres. Because it's the area covered by the Hotel Polo Tower. How much it is, I don't know. I have not asked also. And exactly I have not seen how big it is also. I had been there, but I have not seen the total area. From airport to, from nearest airport will be Guwahati now, at present. But once we develop this one, the Barzak airport, it will be how many kilometers? I think 30 kilometers from Barzak airport to Tura.